The objective of LSIB's Level 7 Diploma in Accounting and Finance is to provide learners with contemporary and specialized approaches to accountancy and finance, apart from key practical, theoretical and empirical issues, and academic research. This qualification is designed for learners who wish to pursue a career in the financial services industry, professional accountancy, banking and finance or management. The qualification equips learners with the essential skills and knowledge needed to pursue high-level careers in all types of organizations, both in the UK and abroad. The qualification will enhance knowledge and skills needed for an ever-changing framework in which the financial sector operates, apart from providing understanding of developments in accountancy and reporting standards. The qualification is regulated by the Office of Qualifications and Examinations Regulation, Ofqual, which regulates qualifications in England. Level 7 diplomas are equivalent to a master's degrees in the UK. They are of 120 credits and the learners will have to get further 60 credits through dissertation to achieve a full master's program. The Level 7 Diploma in Accounting and Finance is a 120 credit qualification consisting of 6 units of 20 credits each. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by LSIB and externally verified by the awarding body via submission of assignments. The qualification is delivered fully online, in 2 duration modes, 6-month fast track and 9-month standard mode. Successful completion of this qualification enables learners to progress into, or within employment, or join master's degree top-up, in accounting and finance. Get affordable education designed for you and reach new heights in your career. Visit www.lsib.co.uk today.